Hey everybody, my name is Jordan. Welcome to the channel. Today, Eli and I are going to be putting up the RC Traxxas Monster Truck against the snow, the mud, and the Indoraptor. Went to Hobbytown, got the truck, went with the Slash short course off-road race truck. We're going to take it home and do a whole bunch of cool stuff with it. All right, let's take it on over this way into the field and let her rip. Yeah. Oh, that's deep. All right, let her rip. Let's see. All right, that's right. Now do it. Uh-oh. What? I think the snow's too deep. Oh, yeah, there we go. Try it now. Oh, that is deep. Look at it go. Look at it go. Keep it going. Keep it going. There you go. Here, let her rip. Turn around. Oh, that's cool. Bring it right past the camera. Oh, that was awesome. It kind of drifted. Yeah, it drifted. There we go. All right, let her rip. Let's check the damage quick. Oh, it is caked on the inside in there. I don't know if you can see it in there. Look at all that. I'm gonna get sprayed with mud. Ready? Yeah. 3, 2, throttle. Go. Oh, he burned out. Woo! Oh no, what happened? Should we do another burnout? Oh, let's see that camera. Should we do a replay? All right, ready, set, throttle, go. Woo! Oh no, he took the GoPro off. Oh no, it knocked the GoPro right off the top. I'll have to get a replay of that too. Go. That adhesive failed on it. That's weird. All right. Oh, she's spraying us. She's spraying us.
So fast on the slip part. Like that. See the slip part right here? This is it's like slides right on there.
It does.
On the slip.
Can you do donut? So crank it hard right. And just keep it cranked to right. Oh, it's ramping. Hold it right. Donuts. There you go. Woo! Floor it. Floor it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep doing donuts. That is so cool. We are out of battery here. How long do you think that lasted us? Like 20 minutes maybe?
Like, I think about like 5. Felt like 5.
Yeah, we were pushing it pretty hard though. Take it back home, clean it off a little bit, because we still have to put it up against the, what's it called?
The Indoraptor.
The Indoraptor, that's right. It's pretty cold out here. How cold do you think it is?
Like 20.
20 degrees? Should we check and see?
Yeah.
33 degrees.
33.
Yeah. See, I think the wind chill though is way colder. Traxxas Slash. Battery did not last as long as I thought it would. That thing is caked with mud on it. What do you think? Hot chocolate at home?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate!
All right, I'm gonna grab the bag. There's one. How's it taste?
Just like water.
Just like water? I hope so.
Now which one's for me and some?
Ready? There you go. What's it called? The Dragon?
No, the Indoraptor.
Indoraptor. The Traxxas versus the Dragon.
The Indoraptor.
Indoraptor. You don't think he's gonna knock it over?
No.
Oh, let's give it a shot. I think you have hot chocolate all over your mouth. Do you have hot chocolate in your mouth?
No.
Oh my goodness. This is... Here, one more second. We're locked and loaded. Okay, we got the top back on, swap the batteries out. I don't know, man. This snow's pretty deep. I don't think he's gonna make it. We're gonna try though. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Go. Go. One more try. Maybe this is the two-wheel drive Trax. If you're doing this kind of driving, we may need to do the four-wheel drive Traxxas. Ready? Go. We're gonna need to get a ramp. All right, we're gonna put some snow up on the bottom here. There you go. Good job, Ava. Set. Go. It don't want to go up, does it? Ready, set, go. I have another idea. Let's do a duel. And we're gonna take him and put him right on the edge of the snow over here. If the car has enough juice to get through this patch of snow and knock him over. You ready? He's throwing snow at it. Throttle. Oh, didn't make it.
What?
Throttle. It was close.
Turned over again.
Let's put him right here now. Oh. He's looking pretty upset that this truck keeps trying to hit him.
Yeah.
All right, ready. Ready for the burnout?
Yeah.
Set, go. 3, 2, 1. It's just too fast. Ooh. He's still up. Hit him again. Ready, go. Oh. Oh, almost. Set, go. He's too strong. Oh, monster truck. All right, well, the Indoraptor won that battle, I think.
Yeah.
Don't you think? Yeah, definitely.
We should, Daddy, now we should do one like right here.
Eli's gonna do Snow Angel first. Whoop. Oh, that's nice. Well done. All right, now get up really easy. How'd you do?
That looks pretty good. Looks like an angel to me.
The Indoraptor can take him on the street. Oh, set this guy up. There he goes. Indoraptor versus the Traxxas Monster Truck. Ready, set, go. He missed him. Try again. Oh, he took him out. He swept the leg. All right, let's try again. Go. Oh, he's carried him. It's a fight. It's a fight. Oh, Monster Truck wins. That was pretty cool.
Oh, Dad.
He's still carrying him.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't miss our next video because we're gonna hunt dinosaurs with our Nerf guns. See you later.